Navigating the world of investments can feel like traversing a maze blindfolded. With a plethora of asset classes available, it's easy to become overwhelmed and unsure where to place your hard-earned money. The difficulty of finding the right asset class to invest in is a problem many grapple with. Dive into the realm of investments and you'll encounter various asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and even cryptocurrency. Each one possesses its own unique set of characteristics, risks, and potential returns. The challenge lies in determining which one aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Risk tolerance, a term often bandied about by financial experts, refers to your ability and willingness to lose some or all of your original investment in exchange for greater potential returns. The higher your risk tolerance, the more you might consider investing in riskier assets, such as stocks or cryptocurrencies. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, advocates for a diversified portfolio. He suggests investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread the risk. But he also cautions that this strategy requires a thorough understanding of each asset class and the factors that affect their performance. On the other hand, Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, champions real estate as a solid investment. He argues that it provides a tangible asset that can generate passive income while also offering potential capital appreciation. Conversely, Paul Tudor Jones, a renowned hedge fund manager, sees commodities as a hedge against inflation. He believes that they offer a protective shield against the eroding effects of inflation on your investments. Then, there's the emerging world of cryptocurrency. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has been a vocal supporter of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin. He sees it as a revolutionary asset class that could redefine the financial landscape. As you can see, even the experts have differing views on the best asset class to invest in. This underscores the importance of doing your own research, understanding your own financial goals, and knowing your risk tolerance. So, how do you find the right asset class for you? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It requires time, effort, and a willingness to learn. It means delving into the details of each asset class, understanding the risks involved, and assessing how it fits into your overall financial plan. As you embark on this journey, consider this. If you had to choose one asset class to invest in today, which one would it be and why? Would it be the tried and tested stocks, the tangible appeal of real estate, the protective nature of commodities, or the revolutionary potential of cryptocurrency? This question is not meant to provide an answer, but to provoke thought and encourage further research. After all, the world of investments is as vast as it is varied, and the right asset class for you is out there, waiting to be discovered.